What is this you ordered, Ma?
This is from Green Chef.
The Green
From Green Chef, yeah.
Chef.
Where they send you food and you will cook. I ordered the Omnivore kit.
Ah, as opposed to vegetarian. Huh?
Is it vegetarian?
Omnivores eat meat. So there's meat included in here. Huh?
Okay, so they give us some instructions. Right? Apple rosemary chicken. Might be that's the one inside.
So there's how many meals?
Sausage polenta and 3. Cauliflower mac and cheese.
So in this box is 3 different meals.
Yep, and here it is. I'm gonna open it. Okay, so here are the ingredients.
The different ingredients.
Yeah, the vegetables, the spice,
green vegetables.
your pistachio, part of the ingredient.
It's all cold.
Yeah,
I don't know how they keep that. They keep it.
Because of this. Oh, look, it's opened. Oh. There it is.
So what's in this one?
Organic mushroom.
Organic mushrooms. Some looks like cantaloupe. There's the meat. You've got some looks like sausage and
Fried chicken.
some chicken.
Yeah, chicken drumstick.
None of this is cooked whatsoever.
Yeah,
it's
all the
meat is raw.
That ingredient is this one.
Is for this meal here, which is the apple rosemary chicken, and all the directions is on the
At the back
side here. So, which one do you think you'll have today? Apple rosemary chicken, the cauliflower mac and cheese, or the Gruyere sausage polenta?
Polenta. Wow.
That looks fancy. So all this and this would cost. How much did you spend?
$80.
That includes the shipping.
That includes
So
the
it's like-
shipping. That includes the shipping, and then they will deliver you again every week.
You know what I'm noticing? Everything says organic.
Yes, it's organic.
This is all very healthy and organic.
All are organic. Organic.
Hey, and a little
kale.
snack of pistachio nuts. Very nice.
And even a drink. They sent us a drink.
All the little spices are organic. Crushed red pepper flakes here. This is low-fat milk from Organic Valley.
Organic Granny Smith apple.
Some fancy cheese there. Organic flour even.
I know, huh? Everything is organic. It's a healthy.
It's very healthy, huh?
Yeah.
And this will cook with the mushrooms. And you will whisk this for
6 to 8 minutes until it's thickened.
So you're all done. Let's compare the picture with, looks pretty good. Now the taste test. How's the taste?
Everything is good.